Hello and welcome to our account management system app for UMKC Hackaroo Contest Fall 2019. Our team is composed of two undergrad students, Don Dixon and myself. We are both computer science majors. And we have one master's student on our team, Carrie Jessup, who is studying bioinformatics. We are going to go over our use case in more detail within this PowerPoint. Our use case is the account system, where users can see single and joint account transactions easily. We have an individual here named Matt who wants to see transactions on his account, but also wants to see shared transactions on the joint accounts of Lisa and Diana. We want users to be able to log in whether they type in lowercase or uppercase. We check this by setting the uppercase all new usernames that are created, and also setting to uppercase all usernames that are used for logging in. On a successful login, the user should be able to see their transactions and should also be able to see under which accounts the transactions fall. Our friend Matt can see his transactions with Lisa and Diana, but Lisa and Diana can also see their transactions with Matt on their own individual accounts. We are going to cut our video briefly so that we can prepare our emulator to show you our app.
Okay, so here we have the MIT Android app emulator running, and we'll walk through the functions of the app in more detail. First, we will log in with a valid username. I'm going to log in as Diana, who has the username U205. First, I type it in the text box, and then I click Login to finish. Here we can see her accounts are separated, with the accounts beginning with I belonging to individuals and the accounts starting with J belonging to joints. And transactions for the account are displayed below them. We will now choose to log out and return to the login screen. Now I will show you how the new user creates an account. I will hit New User button. Now I will type U1 for our new username. And then I click Add User. A notification will appear that says New Account Created. Now I will type U1 in on the login page as my new username. Here you will see my new individual account and my new transaction number. I will now log out again. I'm going to show you what happens when I try to make another new user. You will see that the transaction number and the account number have been incremented. So you can see it's 05 and 08 instead of 04 and 07. We will now show what happens when an incorrect username is typed. I will type U3, see what happens, and it says invalid username. I can go back to the login screen to continue using the app. Hey, we have an unused button here, the close button. This button is meant to close our app at any point the user desires. However, without publishing the app, we cannot display that function here. The code will be presented for our GitHub. Thank you for viewing our presentation.